Hey everyone! Need to update your name on Facebook using your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to change your Facebook name. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. At the top, tap on the Account Center section. Now, tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Select your Facebook profile from the list. Next, tap on Name. Here, type in your new first name, middle name, or last name. Remember, once you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. After entering your new name, tap Review Change to confirm and save. And that's it! If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.